Hello everybody, so today we have a change of pace, which I always enjoy. We're doing an Xbox Series S HDMI port replacement. I was cutting a film and then it just gave out on me, so we're going to have to pick up from here. So I noticed in all these videos that the other guys do, nobody addresses these anchor points, and they're actually very important when it comes to stability. So we definitely want to get those in there. Time to bolt up and test. Hey, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. We have memberships now if you'd like to show more support than that. Otherwise, everything helps. New videos dropped every Sunday, and be sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.